Flowers always make people better, happier, and more helpful. They are sunshine, food, and medicine to the mind. Winter is always the ideal time of the year to grow beautiful flowers in your garden. It is best time of the year. The cool winter breeze, the mild drizzles and bright sunshine exactly how these flowering plants need. I love growing these bright flowers in my balcony garden, which add colors and blooms throughout the season. So if you are also planning to grow some lovely blooms in your garden, then this video is for you. Today I will be sharing some flowering plants that you can grow in winter season and their requirements. In India, winter is the best time to grow many different species of beautiful blooming flowers. You can grow several annuals as well as perennial flowers in winter because of this bright sunshine and as most of the flowers enjoy the sunshine. Let me show you which flowers I am growing now on my small balcony. Here I have few annuals and perennials. These are balsam, begonias, petunias, chrysanthemum and geraniums. Usually I bring mature flowering plants or their saplings from the nursery, but this time I am also growing few annuals like marigold, cosmos and zinnia from the seed. Annuals complete their whole life cycle in one growing season. They stay for around 3 to 4 months. They are great for small spaces like this balcony. They can be grown in small pots, hanging baskets, window boxes or in drilling planters. They occupy garden space in less time, plus they are reasonable. For growing any plants, their placement plays a major role for their fast and healthy growth. Like ornamental plants, flowering plants also prefer specific light requirement to bloom profusely. Impatiens, begonias, kalanchoe and chrysanthemum can be grown in shaded areas, so I have placed them here on windowsill that doesn't receive much direct sunlight. Most of these plants, chrysanthemum, begonias, have delicate leaves and direct sun can burn their leaves and buds, so place them in shaded area. If you are growing winter blooms for the first time, then you can start with growing something simple like plant impatiens. See how vibrant and energetic they are. They are technically tender perennials but usually grown as annuals. In impatiens, I have 3 colors: white, pink and red. White and red varieties bloom frequently compared to this variety. This balsam variety has big flowers with those beautiful leaves. The flower on this plant stays for 2 to 3 days. What I like about them is that they do best in the shade. They are ideal to add colors in shade. Chrysanthemum is one of my favorite winter flowers. Chrysanthemum is herbaceous perennial which survive winter coolness spectacularly during November and December and also easy to propagate. As I said, chrysanthemum is an herbaceous perennial, which means it has soft stems that die back at the end of the growing season. New growth emerges from the rootstock in spring, so after flowering, don't throw your plant and use plant cuttings for making new plants. After flowering, I am planning to propagate this plant by cuttings, so next year my balcony will enjoy more blooms. You can keep chrysanthemum in morning sunlight or in dappled shade, but avoid harsh direct sunlight. For more blooms, don't forget to pinch their old blooms. Gazania is another beautiful annual flower. Bright yellow, flawlessly designed by nature, Gazania blooms will bring a bit of sunshine to your garden. Now let's see few plants that you can keep inside your home in bright indirect light. Bright and beautiful Kalanchoe flowers. Kalanchoe blooms profusely during winter. Easy to grow, these colorful Kalanchoe blooms are the best choice to add pop of color, especially indoors. My Kalanchoe plant happily settled on the living room windowsill and enjoys bright sunlight. I love its long-lasting star-like blooms that appears in cluster. It is a great indoor plant to cheer up the home during the long winter months that doesn't need much care. The shorter the days, the more flowers Kalanchoe produces. Like Kalanchoe, African violets also do well in bright light. Keep them on windowsill. This is an east-facing window that receives a good amount of light, and these plants I brought last winter, and since they are doing well here. African violets have delicate leaves, so just avoid wetting their leaves. Alright, these are few flowering plants that you can grow in dapple shade. Now let's see flowering plants which require more sunlight. Petunias are no doubt one of the most popular and versatile flowering annuals. Growing petunias always bring color to your garden. They can be used for pots, containers, hanging baskets, and for railing planters. Plant your petunias in sunny location. They need lots of light to produce multiple blooms. Petunias grow horizontally, so use wide pot. Water petunia regularly. If you forget to water your plant, it will start drooping its leaves and in severe case dry. And don't forget to cut old blooms to promote new blooms. Winter plants require water once every 2 days and also application of manure and compost every fortnight. Next, these are my favorite geraniums. Geraniums are truly classical flowering plants. I am obsessed with them. Geraniums are perfect choice for falling out the hanging baskets, railing planters and window boxes. That's the reason they always remind me of cottage gardens and European themed cafes where geraniums have their eternal place. If your front door gets decent sunlight, geraniums are a colorful option that allows you to adorn your entrance with flowers. Geraniums love sunlight. They need proper light to bloom profusely. For complete geranium care, you can check out my video Best All Season Flowering Plants for Balcony and Home Garden. I am also growing marigold and cosmos flowers from seeds. For sowing seeds, you can use regular garden soil, but for better germination rate, I am using 50% compost with 50% coco peat. When the soil is soft, roots get more air to grow, and if the soil is hard, seeds take long time to germinate. Best time to sow winter flower seeds is right before winter sets in, because the ideal temperature for these winter flowers is 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. That is why October and November is the ideal seed sowing period in India. Ideal soil mix, sowing depth, temperature and light is essential for the best germination result. For best result, always buy good quality flower seeds and don't forget to check the expiry date on packets. You can store extra seeds in cool dry place in an airtight container or in the packets away from the moisture. Sow them around 1 inch deep in potting mix. Keep pots in semi-shade area and sprinkle water regularly to keep the soil moist. Generally, seeds will germinate in week and after 15 to 20 days you can transplant seedlings in big pot. For potting mix, use organic rich soil which contains at least 40% compost. I also have these flowering marigold plants. Do you know marigolds are great companion for vegetable plants? Their bright blooms great for attracting butterflies and pollinators. I am also growing few veggies on my balcony, and soon I will be making a separate video on vegetables that you can grow in small spaces during winter. Place your marigold where the plants will be in sunlight for at least 6 to 8 hours every day. It requires occasional watering, but never water it from the top. It will surely develop fungal infection in marigold. Aster is another beautiful flower from the same marigold family, Asteraceae. It is easy to grow from seeds just like marigold. Here you can see one dried flower. I'm going to store this so I can plant those seeds next season. Aster is available in many bright colors. It is beautiful hardy plant to grow in the winter season. Apart from these winter flowers, you can also grow pansy, calendula, dahlia, dianthus and phlox. Last year I grew these beautiful phlox in my balcony. Usually seasonal plants are not much prone to severe pest attack. You can use any organic pesticide to control infection of pest, but avoid using chemicals on flowers as they attract pollinators and beneficial insects. So freshen up your garden in winters by adding colorful blooms that will transfer the glance of your garden. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, take care and happy gardening.